Hey everybody, welcome to the rant with Herman James. I'm Herman James, wearing some swag finally. They came through. Had some pretty big issues with that, but if you've seen the social media, you've seen all the problems we've had with it. Just wasn't doing too great. Took them a long time to fix it, a long time to ship it. It was just not my favorite. Teespring finally came through and did the right by me by making the shirts better and fitting. The logos were all centered, and it just wasn't right. So, but now we're in my eternally and forever packed garage. It's just always packed. But we're here to check out what I got from. That's right. That is the Flex Seal box I saw on social media. I haven't opened it up. I don't know what's in there yet. I just took a quick picture of the opening up of it. There's a whole bunch of stuff inside. So let's find out what they got for us. Alright, so let's see what the guys at Flex Seal have sent me, because we did the Flex Seal pool liner repair. Works out very well. We've been using the pool all summer, and thanks Flex Seal. Good job. So what we got in here. We got the this fan, or new mask for Halloween. Oh, this is really cool. We got a cool Flex Glue Clear little tumbler. That's awesome. Because if there's one thing that my house doesn't have, it is a bunch of reusable tumblers. I think we probably have around 50 of them. Who knows? Alright. Got a little bit of a Flex Seal Black here for liquid rubber sealant coating. That's pretty awesome. I can definitely use the heck out of that. We've got another one for the white here. This stuff is great. I've actually used it before, and it's actually fixed some of my rain gutters. Great product. Great ideas for this. The liquids tend to lose, or the aerosols lose a little bit of the chemical strength as they do when they come in the bottles, but they're great on the fly. Now we've got here, we've got the clear. That's awesome. That can be used for the same thing like I talked about, the gutter repairs, things of that nature, just in case the little push guy came down here. If you don't want to see the color, it's not blending into it, this is going to be great for it as well. I'm all for that. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's very cool. We've got the Flex Glue. I mean, this is supposed to be holding up to 1,000 pounds. I mean, that's what they're showing here for. I mean, these are great products to use. It's going to be a nice bonding agent as well. Now, we've got two here. So we've got new minis for this one. We've got the clear guy for this here. So that's going to be pretty awesome. Oh, Flex Tape. I was curious how this was going to work. I haven't purchased this yet. I didn't see anything yet. I love the videos they've got on this. This is a great idea for the videos. The infomercials are fantastic. Obviously, if you're going to watch some things when you're maybe drunk or at 3 in the morning, whatever you do, we'll see these guys who slapping these things on the tubs. This is really awesome. I'm really happy to get this and just test it out and see exactly what this could be for and used for well for me. Now we've got it in black. They've also thrown in some clears here. The clears, it looks like they've got 2 sheets for each one here. That's pretty awesome. Now they've also got the white. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, but bet you me, I am going to find something for it. Oh, this is pretty cool. I got some Flex Seal shirts. I'm going to be rocking those. That's pretty awesome. I wish I knew that they were going to be in this box, because I would have for sure rocked it while I'm out here doing this. Well, that's it for this episode. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. If this is your first time coming into the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you're going to help the channel out by just clicking that button. If you want to get notifications of when the new videos are uploaded as soon as they're done, hit that bell that we get notifications as soon as they're uploaded. And if you have any comments, things you want to see, what you thought about this episode, put comments down below. And I can't wait to be in your ears, and now eyes, next time. Thanks, guys. Alright, everybody. A little bit of extra behind the scene kind of stuff for you here. Got some packages in. Not quite there to start things on the hearse, but we're getting there. So what I've got here is the slide hammer. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to see through just because it's still a plastic. Slide hammer. These are the actual pieces to get off the glue for the super glue. A little bit of die, hammer set. The bits right here are just for the little pegs to go on depending on each individual dent you have. So that's kind of how they work out for that. They look pretty much the exact same as the set that comes with this guy, that just kind of a turn of the dial to pull the actual dents out. Now I flubbed a little bit because I ordered the hammer set independent of the pull set, because all the reviews in the pull set didn't talk about it coming with the actual glue gun. Well, this set said it did. Now I bought them both, and of course now they come with both. Fortunately, this set actually came with the bag here, so that's great because everything in here now fits in that bag. And since they really share the same little components that get glued on to the car, it basically gives me two versions of them, which is real nice. And now we're looking at here. That's not the oil for the hearse. That's the oil for the Z. Yeah, she's a little dusty, but we'll get to that. So that's for the oil changes for the Z. This here, however, is what we've got so far from Rock Auto. I had a little bit of issue with Rock Auto ordering some of the parts. They couldn't be shipped to California. So it's not on Rock Auto, it's on California laws. But we just got some quick copper little plugs here just to switch out what we've got in there, some Denso guys. We've got the Bosch oil filter. This one is going to be the one that's going to go in after we do the oil changes. I've got to go to O'Reilly's and get 2 more filters so I can clean everything out. Now we've also got our AC Delco spark plug wire set. That's going to be good to go with any sparks. and take all the ones we have in there out eventually. And then this will be the permanent set that's going to go on the actual good sparks. We'll maybe keep these Denzos for a little bit, but these aren't the ones I want to go with. They're not high performance. They're not going to have the combustion I want to have in there. But that is what it is. Little receipt here. No worries about that. And then these are the valve cover gaskets. I got 2 sets because you just never know. I mean, one's probably going to be fine and I could probably run it through, but it's leaking now. So I've got these. I'm going to push them through. I'm waiting on seafoam to come in as well as everything else. So we're 1 shipment out from being able to start everything on the hearse. And once we get the seafoam in and we get the actual but a security screw set to take off license plate because it's locked in there, we'll be good to go. We'll put the videos up as soon as we can start getting the work done of the oil changes, the gasket change, the spark plugs. All that's going to be done all in one. The bodywork is going to be on a separate video. But stay tuned. Almost there.